Welcome to McPlum, simple solutions served daily.
You begin by assessing the mustache. Feel density, spot gaps, and map hair direction so you know what to fix. Once done, wash and warm the area to relax follicles. This reduces tugging. Make sure to gather tools, a 3-5 mm guard trimmer, small scissors, fine-tooth comb, and beard oil so you can move quickly. Start trimming on low settings. Trim less than you think, because you can always take more off but can't add it back. You now shape and trim with intent. First, comb hairs downward and trim long pieces with scissors at the lip line to free the shape. Once done, switch to the trimmer with a chosen guard. Work symmetrically from the center outward so both sides match. Make small passes and pause to check proportions. This prevents overcutting. Finally, use a 0.5 1mm detail trimmer to define the upper lip edge and blend into cheeks, keeping a natural curve. You finish by styling and addressing issues. Apply a dime-sized amount of beard oil and comb through to add softness and shine. Once done, use a small wax or balm to train stubborn hairs. Twist or lay them into place depending on your style. If you see thin patches, try shadowing with a tiny pomade stroke or accept regrowth. Make sure to allow 4 to 6 weeks for thicker growth before major reshaping. If persistent unevenness remains, consider a professional trim or.
Thanks for watching. Stay juicy and subscribe.